Dear students, welcome to our grammar class. Myself Nargis. Today we are learning the topic question tags. In question tags, we are going to learn about semi-negative words and we are going to learn about suggestions, tags to use for the suggestions, imperative sentence, etc. Let's start. Semi-negative words. There are 8 semi-negative words. You must remember all these words. Whenever these words come, the sentence is negative. And the words are few, rarely, hardly, little, scarcely, seldom, none, never. Once again, few, rarely, hardly, little, scarcely, seldom, none, never. We use positive tag when a sentence contains semi-negative words. Whenever you find a semi-negative word, we use positive tag. Rule number 4, we use only contracted form of negative. Okay, let's see how do we use the contracted forms. Look at this. Am plus not. Be very careful. Am plus not is not amn't. Amn't is wrong. It is aren't. Am plus not aren't. Is plus not isn't. Are plus not aren't. Was plus not wasn't. Were plus not weren't. Always in question tag you use contracted form of the negative words. Do plus not don't. Does plus not doesn't. Did plus not didn't. Have plus not haven't. Has plus not hasn't. Had plus not hadn't. Will plus not won't. Would plus not wouldn't. Should plus not shall plus not shan't. Look at the word shall plus not shan't. Should plus not shouldn't. More, can plus not can't. Could plus not couldn't. May plus not mayn't. Might plus not mightn't. Must plus not mustn't. You read it like mustn't. Ought plus not oughtn't. Need plus not needn't. Rule number 4, the tag will contain a pronoun. That's very important rule. Already I have told you about the pronouns. It, she, he, they, we, etc. You. Rule number 5. The tag will follow a comma and begin with a small letter. Let's see. She will submit her work. She will submit her work. See, look at the comma. Won't she? Will. So, positive sentence, negative tag, won't. Will plus not, won't. And the pronoun is she. So, we use won't she. Look at all the concepts here. All rules are explained in one glance. Look at that. Positive sentence, negative tag. Yes, we can see that the sentence is positive and the tag is negative. And what else? Comma. Can you see this comma element? And what else? Question tag. Tag starts with a small letter word. Small letter. Okay. And pronoun at the end of the tag. So all rules are applied here. Now let's see imperative sentences. How do we make question tags for imperative sentences? Order, request, command, advice, warning, invitation. All these are imperative sentences. Order, request, command, advice, warning, invitation. Whenever imperative sentence comes, use. What do you use? Use Will you? Whenever you find imperative sentence, at the end, don't mind whether the sentence is positive or negative. You use will you. Example, order. Okay, order example, open the door. Can you feel? Open the door. It's an order. So this is imperative sentence. We must use will you. That's all. Request, order, request. Please give me a pen. Can you feel? Please give me a pen is a request. So it is imperative sentence. We use the tag will you. No change in that. Will you. Command. Stand in line properly. Stand in line properly is a command. So the tag is will you. Command is an imperative sentence. So we use the tag will you. Advice. Take your medicines properly. Advice. Take your medicines properly. So this is imperative sentence. We use will you. Warning. Don't pluck the flower. See children, see guys, this is negative. But don't get confused with negative or positive. First we must understand whether the sentence is imperative or not. Yes, don't pluck the flower. It can be an order, or it can don't pluck the flower. It can be an advice, or if you say sternly, it can be order. Don't pluck the flower. But if you say in a rude manner, it's a kind of warning. Don't pluck the flower. Anyhow, this is imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, you don't find subject in the beginning. Beginning of the sentence, you don't find subject. Actually, the subject is taken as you. It is obviously taken that the subject of the imperative sentence is you. It's actually you don't pluck the flower. Instead of saying like that, we are saying don't pluck the flower. This is a warning, so it is imperative sentence. Whenever there is imperative sentence, the tag is will you. Okay. Look at the next one. Invitation. Come home for dinner tonight. Come home for dinner tonight. This is an invitation. So this is imperative sentence. So we write the question tag as will you. Add suitable tags. See, we shall find it. Add suitable tags. Respect your teachers. This is advice, imperative sentence. So we write will you. Second one, study well. This is also an advice. Study well, imperative sentence. So we use will you as question tag. Don't smoke. This is also an advice or warning. This is an advice. So we use will you. Help the needy. No subject here. This is imperative sentence. Help the needy. It's a kind of advice. So the tag is will you. Please help me solve this sum. This is request. Request is a imperative sentence. So the question tag is will you. Hope it's very clear now. The next one. Question tags semi-negative words, positive tag. When you see semi-negative words, I already taught you 8 semi-negative words. And we shall see. Once again, I wish to recollect all the 8 semi-negative words. Few, rarely, hardly, little, scarcely, seldom, none, never. All convey the meaning no. There is hardly any flower on the tree. Can you see the semi-negative word hardly? So the sentence is negative. So the tag is positive, is there. He is scarcely aware of the tragedy, which means he is not aware of the tragedy. So the sentence is negative. So we use positive tag. The auxiliary verb is. Pronoun is he. Is he. Third one. Rarely does she visit a temple. Rarely is a semi-negative word. So the sentence is negative. We shall use positive tag. Does she. Does she. Because the sentence is negative. None of the boys know the answer. Look at this. None, semi-negative word. So the sentence is negative. We shall use positive tag. Look at the verb no. So only verb we use do. And the pronoun of boys they. Do they. This is the question tag. Next one. They seldom see each other nowadays. Seldom is a semi-negative word. So the sentence is negative. So we shall use positive tag. To find out the question tag word, look at the verb. Verb is see. So we use do. V1. So we use do. The sentence is positive. So we use positive tag. The pronoun is they. So the question tag is do they. Sixth question. You have never been to Vellore. See, this never is a semi-negative word. So the sentence is negative. So here we shall use positive tag. So have you. The next one, suggestions. Whenever there is a suggestion, the question tag to be used is shall we. Can you see? Shall we. First question, let us go on food. This is a suggestion. So let us. The question tag is shall we. Second one, let us go to the beach in the evening. The tag is shall we. Third question, let us play chess. The question tag is shall we. Fourth one, let us watch a movie. Shall we? Let us bake a cake. Shall we? So whenever you find suggestions, do use the question tag shall we.